Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, welcome to my third video of leadership. So in this video I will tell you about the concept of force and influence tactics. But before I start it, let me introduce myself. I'm Jenusi Agista Putri with NPM 2341171 from Class Management 23C. The first thing I will explain is the definition of force. Force refers to the use of authority, coercion, or pressure to make someone comply with a command or directive. It typically relies on formal power structures and is rooted in the idea that compliance must be achieved, even if the individual does not agree or willingly participate. Examples of force include giving strict orders, threatening penalties, or using fear to gain obedience. This approach often results in short-term compliance, especially in high-pressure or emergency situations. Two characteristics of force. The defining traits of force are its directness, immediacy, and dependency on hierarchical authority. It is one way in nature, leaving little room for discussion or collaboration. While force can be effective in enforcing rules or managing risks, it often leads to negative outcomes such as resentment, fear, reduced morale, and resistance, especially if used frequently or without sensitivity to context. Over time, it may damage interpersonal relationships and reduce internal motivation. 3. Definition of influence tactics. Influence tactics refers to strategies used to persuade or encourage others to act willingly. Unlike force, influence focuses on mutual understanding and cooperation. It relies on interpersonal communication, emotional intelligence, and strategic thinking rather than positional authority. Influence tactics are commonly used in everyday workplace interactions and are seen as more respectful and sustainable way to encourage action and alignment. 4 types of influence tactics. There are several influence tactics, each with instinct, style, and goals. Rational persuasion use fact and logical reasoning to convince someone. Inspirational appeal tap into emotion, values, or ideal to create enthusiasm. Consultation involves others in decision-making processes to build support. Ingratitude use friendliness or praise to increase acceptance. Exchange offers reciprocal benefits, while pressure use persistence to push for results. Other tactics include legitimating coalition and personal appeals based on loyalty or relationship. The effectiveness of these tactics depend on the context, the relationship between the parties, and the way the tactic is applied. 5. Key differences between force and influence tactics. The primary distinction between force and influence lies in their approach and outcomes. Force demands compliance through authority and control. Often regardless of the individual agreement, it is effective in urgent situations but can be harmful to long-term trust and morale. Influence, on the other hand, encourages cooperation through communication, persuasion, and mutual respect. It takes more time and skill to apply, but often results in stronger commitment, better performance, and healthier relationship. Influence builds willingness, while force imposes obedience. And the last one is the conclusion. In conclusion, Both force and influence tactics are tools used to evoke others' behavior, but they serve different purpose and produce different results. Force is suitable when immediate action is needed or in environments with strict hierarchies. But over-reliance on it can lead to fear, disengagement, and conflict. Influence tactics are more adaptable and constructive, promoting trust, collaboration, and intrinsic motivation. Therefore, knowing when to apply force and when to use influence is essential for achieving both short-term goals and long-term success. Individuals in general, whether as managers, peers, or team members, can benefit from mastering influence tactics while using force only when absolutely necessary. And that's all about force and tactics. I hope it can help you by knowing it. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.